Okay, what's up YouTube? My name is Galen and this is Galen's Gadgets. I want to thank you so much for joining my channel today. And today, as you can see, I have the Spigen rugged armor case for my Pixel 4a 5G. I just wanted to pick up a new case for this because on my Pixel 4a 5G I currently have the Caseology Parallax, and over time it has done terrible with just like the paint chipping off. It's just not a good paint on just like the perimeter of this. Like the rubber on it is completely fine, and it's probably not really rubber, but just this more rubbery material here is fine, the blue, but the gold perimeter of this has just been chipping off terribly. As you can see, every corner is hit pretty much. So just decided to pick up a new case. I actually got this on Prime Day because it was a few dollars off. So yeah, this is another one of my Prime Day pickups. I actually did have experience with this rugged armor case on my Motorola G Stylus, the 2021 version, and I loved it. Just like unboxing it, my first impressions of it, I really loved that case. So I'm just gonna see how it fares with my Pixel now. So I'm just gonna take this off. Another thing that I did not like about the Caseology Parallax case is that it's two parts, and I'm too lazy to like just want to take off both parts at the same time. So it's a pretty tight spot, just like putting the Pixel in there without taking both parts off. So I just felt like long term that wouldn't be the best idea. So yeah, let's just see how this Spigen rugged armor fares on the Pixel 4a 5G. So let's see if we can get anything else with this case. So actually, let me just check the box first. Nothing. Let's see what's on the box. You can see it just says the Pixel 4a 5G on the front. This is the rugged armor. The back doesn't really have anything special. It just says the slim design, perfect grip, form fitted for the device, and perfect protection. So let's see how it looks on my Pixel. My Pixel, overall, I haven't gotten a lot of damage on it. I do have a few nicks on the corners. You can see the one right there. I think that's really it. Yeah, that's the only nick that I have on my Pixel right now, so I'm really glad about that, because you know I like to resell my phones a lot, so that shouldn't kill too much value. It's just one nick in the corner. So yeah, let's see what this rugged armor is like. Again, what I love about the rugged armor is just like it's super thin, and I really like the inside of it as well. You get your web protection on the inside, and then I just really like how smooth this part is right here, this back. And the Pixel 4a 5G, for me, this phone is the perfect size. One thing I don't like about it is you can see it's a fingerprint magnet. It gets a lot of smudges because of that matte plastic feel, but yeah, it's the perfect size for me, just because like it's big enough for me to enjoy content, but I can still do a lot of things with one hand, just like checking my notifications and everything with one hand without having to reach like really far. I don't have to do like really any finger gymnastics with this phone. So yeah, let's see how it feels on the Spigen, and the fit is really good. It plopped right in there. It's not really hard to put in there, but it still feels tight. And again, I really love the feel of this case, and it just makes this Pixel feel a lot better. Again, this is like the perfect size phone for me, and this case on it just makes it feel a lot better. I'm really liking the Spigen rugged armor on this. Let me see if it doesn't can't really tell if it protects the cameras or not. It's a little bit of lip protection on the camera, but not a lot. Lip protection on the actual screen is actually pretty good. You can see that right there. Definitely curls over the screen, so I definitely feel protected, because I don't really like using screen protectors on my cell phone, so I definitely feel protected with the lips on the front of this Spigen rugged armor. And then I just really like that carbon fiber type feel on the ends of the rugged armor case as well. The buttons work great. You can see working 100% of the time so far. So yeah, it's a pretty good case. The cutouts look good actually. So yeah, the Spigen rugged armor on the Pixel 4a 5G is actually really good, just as I expected, because again, I really like the size of this device, and pair it with this case, this is going to make it really easy to hold. I'm probably going to end up sticking like the wallet case like I had on my Parallax on there. So yeah, I think this is going to look really nice and feel really nice. I'm really excited to be working with this case now. So yeah, if you have any comments about this case, any questions about this case, feel free to leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching my video.